Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to just an extra video on this Android system that I installed in this Series 4 the other day. There is already a video on it. I'll put the, if you haven't seen it, click on the link above now, up here, or it will be in the description and at the end of this video if you want to watch that first if you haven't already. There was an issue with the RDS, so I have hopefully found out how to do it. Let me explain. So, as you can see here, it says 106.2 there. If I go to FM, you can see all the radio stations are there. I have installed a new aerial, and it has picked up more stations. So the aerial was an issue. However, it's still not showing any RDS data. Now, I think, oh, it's trying to connect to my phone. I think I've figured out why that is. Let me just go into it. My phone's indoors, so it's probably not going to connect to it unless it can get it. Don't worry, we'll go press the home button. Yes, I think I figured it out. So let me show you how I think we're able to enable it. So from the main screen, click through until you get to settings, which is on the first page. It's the normal settings. And then we've got all this down the side, and then it scrolls. We've got one there that says factory. Now, factory password, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I'm hoping. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confirm. Yes. Ah, so this is where... it's bloody trying to connect to my phone again. We'll try that again. Oh, we're already in it. Okay. So this is where you select your car. So that is where it will stop your mileage flashing without doing a proxy alignment. So it's set up to Fiorino by the looks of it. Okay, so at the top you got the CAN bus settings, and then you've got panel keys. If you click on panel keys, not panel keys, sorry, if you click on config info, at the top there you can see it says RDS and it's switched off. So we need to enable it. There you go. As easy as that. That is it. That should... that should now work. Config info. RDS is switched on. That should do it now. There we have it. We've gone into 106.2 and it is displaying as heart. And it's not showing it there. So whether if I re-add that, there you go, it's done it. Same goes for that. We'll click on 95. Oh no, it's going to put heart on there, isn't it? Damn. So yeah, we need to do that on each station. Obviously, we need to go to each station and then it'll work. So that's it. That is all you have to do to get the RDS to work. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Quite easy. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the factory settings default. You can change all sorts of things in there. That's all I needed to change. I didn't want to change anything else. But that is, as I say, that is, if you've got flashing mileage if you install one of these, that top bit that I showed you is the bit where you choose the correct car. So that should actually stop it from flashing. I've done a proxy alignment. I had to do it twice, but it has worked. So that's it. If your RDS doesn't work, you just need to switch it on. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're not a subscriber, hit the button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. For more exciting videos on stereo installs and everything else Fiat 500 related, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, and so on and so forth. Until the next one, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we will see you very, very soon.